topic is WebDriver methods. So to working with WebDriver methods, I'm creating a new package, src new package. Package name is methods of WebDriver. Now finish. So here the package name is methods of WebDriver. Here I'm going to right click and new. I'm creating a class. Class name is working with WebDriver methods. Working with WebDriver methods. And I'm finishing the class. So in Java, we all are know first we required a main method. We required a main method. So whenever we are writing some programs, so we required a main method. So for main method purpose, here I'm going to the main control space. So then we can get in the main stuff. So this is the thing. So here my laptop is like I'm using the system is old version still. So I require the system.set property. So system.set property. What is the meaning of the set property means? I have some property in my system. I am giving that property to the system. So here when we are working with Chrome browser, Chrome browser, the key is always key and passwords are static. Here the key is webdriver dot chrome dot driver. Now here this is the key, control C. So this is the static key. It was given by the Selenium developers. Now double quotes, control V, and key is the static key, and second parameter is you can see string key, and second one is a value. Value is nothing but a path of the drivers. Path of the drivers. So you can see right click and sorry, right click on the Chrome driver.exe. So if you are using like a latest laptops like Windows 10 or 11, you can use directly WebDriver equal to new Chrome driver. Now you can see here, right click on the Chrome driver.exe and there is a properties. So we need to copy these properties. Now control C and inside the double quotes because it is a string value, control V. So here is the too much of long path. So there is a one trip up to workspace to up to workspace to project name. We can't require this thing. Just we can use dot. We can use dot. So you can see what is the meaning of this thing means for automation Selenium tutorials purpose. I used a dot. So this is the shortcut. This is the simple. So we can say it is the simple code for to get the path. So if you are using updated versions, ignore this line. If you are using updated laptops, ignore this line. So but we require WebDriver. Already I done my build part. Already this project I done my build part. In last class we have seen that. Now we can see WebDriver is the interface. So WebDriver was importing from the org.openqa.selenium. Double click on WebDriver. You can see here I'm using Eclipse IDE. So that's why it was got that import org.openqa.selenium.webdriver. Now, WebDriver, I'm creating an object name is driver. Driver equals to new Chrome driver. So control space, I can get the Chrome driver is the subclass constructor. So before this line, you can see here I'm giving that what is this line. So this line launched the Chrome browser. Chrome browser. So this line launched the Chrome browser. Now So here my program will be starting here. Now here I'm saying that get method. What is that? Get method. So why we are using this get method means it is used to launch the application. Launch the application. Now you can see here I'm using the method. What is the syntax? Driver dot get is the method and it will follow the fully qualified URL. Now we can see https colon www.google.com. Now control yes. So here I clicked on control yes. Now I'm running the program here. So when I'm running this program, so you can see Chrome driver was successfully started. Okay, guys. So using this get method, we can launch the application. So before like this 19th line program, it was open the Google. Now again, I'm using same get method. Driver dot get is the method. Inside the double quotes, https colon double slash www.facebook.com. Yeah. Now, so this program will execute. First, it can launch the Google, and second, it will launch the Facebook. So now you can see run. Okay. So before that, without saving, it will ask that OK. So click on that OK. So it was giving that message. Chrome driver was opening, and it was open browser, and it was open Google, and same page it was open to Facebook. So as a user, sometimes I need to go backward and forward. So you can see here is the command number one, backward, command number two, forward, and command number three, refresh. So in the single line command, I'm giving one small comment about get method. So get method only launch the application. Only launch the application. It does not have any it does not have any history comments. So we are using navigate method for history comments. Now you can see. So here now we are going to discuss about the second method in WebDriver. So already we are completed that get method. So here I'm mentioning method name is. So here one method is completed. Now we are going to learn about the second method. And the method name is navigate method. Method name is navigate method. It is used to perform the history comment. Sorry. Mainly we can see it is also used to launch the application with history comments. With history comments. Okay. So navigate is the method and it is also used to launch the application. So the comment saying it is also using to launch the application. Now we can see syntax follows driver dot navigate is the method. Navigate is the method. There is a four commands. One is a to and back and forward and refresh. So to launch the application, we have a to command. Here you can observe the to method contains a string URL. What is the parameter here? String URL. Now, so I'm giving that URL https colon www dot facebook.com facebook.com. Now you can see semicolon. So guys, just see carefully. So here I'm saying that first you need to launch the Google, and second I'm saying launch the Facebook. So in runtime, I need to differentiate time gap between one page to another page 2 seconds. I need to maintain 2 seconds gap. For that purpose, I'm using here for for pass the execution in runtime. Pass the execution in runtime. I'm using thread is the class. In Java, all programs will be run in a thread, and there is a method. Sleep is the method. So using this sleep, and the sleep contains long millis. You can see there is a long millis. So the parameters contains a milliseconds. Here I'm saying 2000. 2000 milliseconds is equals to 2 seconds. And so observe here, it will throws the interrupted exception. Just keep cursor here, it will showing that unhandled exception type, interrupted exception. So just to click on the add throughs declaration. You can see here is the option add throughs declaration. Click on the add throughs declaration. So you can observe here, it was added the throughs interrupted exception. So this line will be pass the execution in a runtime, 2 seconds. So first it will launch the Google. After 2 seconds, it will launch the Facebook. Now I'm saying Control V. So here again I'm using thread.sleep. So after 2 seconds, I'm using the driver dot navigate dot back. Driver dot navigate dot back. Back is nothing but a backward. So it will navigating to the back. Now Control V. And again you need to sleep 2 seconds. So now I'm using driver dot navigate dot forward. What is the mean by forward command, guys?
Move forward, sir. It will move. ఎదరకెళ్తది.
Yes. Yes, it will move forward. Now, again I'm saying after 2 seconds. So after 2 seconds, I'm saying driver dot navigate dot refresh. Driver dot navigate dot refresh. So here just simply I'm giving that it will backward the page. It will backward the page and it will forward the page and it will refresh the page. It will refresh the page. Now we can see here we are using the second method. The method name is navigate method and thread.sleep is coming from the Java. So it will wait 2 seconds. So I can show how it will wait 2 seconds. Now we can see here I'm running the program. Browser was open. Google was open. After 2 seconds, Facebook was open. 1, 2. 2 seconds after backward and 2 seconds after forward. 1, 2. And it was refreshed the page. Is guys easy to work out? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is
Yes, sir.
working.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So based on our program, so navigate was worked as per our program. So first it was navigated to Facebook and after backward and forward and refresh. Okay. So now we are completed totally two methods. So here I'm giving the multiple line commands to this program. So again, now I'm going to introduce the third method. Okay. The third method name is getTitle method. So getTitle method name is a getTitle. So using to using to read the actual title of the page. Actual title of the page. Now already and the return type of getTitle is string. Already we know. Now string title equals to string title equals to driver dot get title. So we can see here it will showing that get title. Okay. So it was showing that get title return type is string and it is the method of WebDriver. So we need to click a get title. Now, so it was data was stored inside the title, inside the this title. So we need to print this title. For printing purpose, in Eclipse IDE, we need to use syso system.out.println. Inside the double quotes, I'm printing that the title of the page is equals to plus title. So it will reads the title of the page and it will stores the data inside the title. Now control yes. So here I saved this program. Here I'm going to run this program. So what it will happen? First browser was open and Google page was open. So we need to say, so this is the title. So what we are seeing in the bar, so you can in the tab, this is the title. Now I'm minimizing the code. What is the title of the page? Hello guys.
Google. Google.
Google.
Google.
Google.
Google, sir.
Okay, is it work out? Okay, is it work
Yes.
out?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So after completion of program, here I'm giving a multiple line commands to this method. Okay. So so now we are completed how many methods?
Three
Three
methods.
methods.
Three methods.
Okay. So now I'm going to introduce the another method. The method name is get get current URL. Method name is get current URL method. So this method it is using to read the actual URL of page. So it is used to read the actual URL of the page. Now we can see. So here I'm using that the return type is string. Return type is string. String URL equals to driver dot get current URL and going with the system dot out dot println and inside the double quotes I'm asking that the URL of the page is equals to plus URL. Now enter Control yes. So here I'm saving the program. Now we are clicking on the run. So when I'm running this program, so program was executed, browser was opened, and Google page was open. Now here I'm minimizing the page so we can see. So what is the output here?
You can see the URL
Hello
of the
guys.
page of
URL.
the in the
Yes.
console.
Yes. The URL of the page is https://www.google.com. So how it will reading means, so if we are asking the title, it will reading the tab value. If you are asking the URL, it will reading this value. You can see https://www.google.com. Okay. So this is the output of this program. Okay. So this is about the fourth method. What is the method name?
Getting URL.
Get current
Current
URL.
URL.
Yes, get current URL. So this is the program for this method. So we are not using frequently. So if we require the URL of the page, we can use this method. So here again, I'm giving the multiple line commands to this program. Now, now I'm going to introduce the fifth method. The method name is, so here you can see get page source, get page source method, get page source method, and using to know the source code of the page, So what is the syntax means? We need to use string source. I purpose I giving a src equals to driver dot get page source. Method name is get page source. Semicolon. If we require to print the source code, system dot out dot println inside the okay. Directly I'm going to print the src. Now control yes. So when I'm basically we are not using that much of times this page source. If the tester needs to know the source code, then only he can use. So here I'm running this program. You can see the output. So Google page was open. So when I'm closing the page, so you can see guys. So this is the source code of the page. So this is the code developed by written by the developer. So to develop the Google page, developer was written this much of code. Okay. In a backend, developer was written this much of code. Okay, guys. So tester not frequently using this method. So this method is the main objective of this method is to read the what it will read, guys.
Source codes.
Source code. So developing code. What is the developing code? It will read this method. Okay. So it is not that much of used by tester. Okay. So mainly, so if we have any queries, so if you are hoping to know about that developing code, then only we can use. Now, so I'm giving you again multiple line comments. So okay. So this is about fifth method. Okay, guys. How many methods we are completed?
5, sir.
5 methods, sir.
Right. One is the get method, navigate method,
Method.
and get
Title.
title, and get current
Page,
URL, and get page
page
source.
source.